All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Wednesday's adjectives. So important, important. Something that cannot be forgotten or ignored. It's important. You have to pay attention now. That was an important decision they made. Yeah. They made an important decision. Yes. This will be an important moment in your life. Yeah. This is an important rule. You have to pay attention to the rule. It's important. Have you seen those important topics? Well, we have some important books you need to read. Yes. I have an important textbook to study. Yeah. It's quite important. It can't be ignored and it can't be forgotten. It has to be addressed, has to be looked at. The decision will change everything. In a moment, an important moment where things will change. That rule is important. You have to follow it. You have to follow that rule. Very important. That was an important plan they had. We have some important plans that they have to follow. These rules that they have to follow. This plan is very important. For the whole thing to succeed, this has to work. We were reading these important documents. Yes, so they sent the important documents recently, and now we're reading them. Yes, they have to be read and understood. I will write an important book soon, so I have planned to write some books. Some will be more important than others. Some will be really important and others not very important. Really important, not very important. Yeah. Very good, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, what is more important to you? In your life? Well, health, wealth, love, or happiness? How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use important in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Let's keep exploring.